ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरिः ओम्.
That which we call the outer world is perfect. This which we call the inner world is perfect. Each one filled with divine consciousness. Perfect comes from perfect. Take perfect from perfect. The remainder is perfect. Divine consciousness is non-dual. Anything that emerges from the divine consciousness is whole, is complete, is Purna. May peace and peace and peace be everywhere. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते.
Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Purnamada. So as you all know, we are going through season 2 of Purnamada and this is our episode 3 and episode 4 which will come up tomorrow. And Purnamada is a series of real-time past life experiences which has been shared by all MAM's clients and students likewise who have gone through past life experiences in their lifetimes and they've seen the transformation. So Purnamada, when you go through Purnamada series, not only will you be bedazzled with the, what past life has to offer, but you will be, in awe to see how people have changed, how they have overcome their fear, their anxiety, how they have found their life path in the making. And today, with this story, yet another story today, we have with us Dr. Tripti Jain, our mentor, coach. And those of you who still think they need an introduction with ma'am, ma'am has been a leading past life therapist in India. She has been working as an occupational therapist and past life therapist for the last 20 years. And she has transformed a lot of, around 7,000 people who have been with her and she conducts her workshops not only in India but abroad in London, Dubai, and all these places. So today, along with ma'am, we have been transformed by her, and that is why we get this place today. To I get this privilege here to host the show for her. We have another guest with us. She's Anushka Kapse. Anushka belongs to Bombay, and Anushka is an engineer by profession, and she is into fire and safety and Anushka has also founded an NGO 5 years back. Not only that, she has been practicing PLRT, Akashic Records, Reiki, and alternative healing modalities. She is also a spiritual coach and a published author. We'll be hearing about Anushka and her journey, and yes, her book, which is yet released, which is just released this year, which is called Droplet. So, welcome Anushka to the show, and we'll start the show now.
Hi Anushka, how are you
Hello,
doing,
ma'am.
Anushka and Abhilasha, my dear? Welcome. So Anushka, I want to ask the first question to you is that there is always something in our life that is most important, जिसको हम जैसे बांध के रखते हैं. So is there something in your life when you started out, some virtue, some quality that you feel is most important in your life?
यस, राइटसनेस। किसी के साथ भी अन्याय अगर कुछ हो रहा है, पीपल आर मिसयूजिंग देयर पावर, टू सप्रेस अदर्स इन एनी सिनेरियो, वेदर इट इज इन फैमिली और आउटसाइड, दैट इज समथिंग जो मैं सहन नहीं कर पाती। मतलब आई रेज माई वॉइस, वो पहले से ही मुझ में वो था कि नहीं,
Right.
सब एवरीबडी हैज द राइट टू एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्फ फुल्ली एंड पीपल कांट सिंपली कंट्रोल अदर्स।
Yeah, I think that's a beautiful virtue to have. हमारे जीवन में कई तरह के virtues हम हमें बांध के रखते हैं. Some people believe in we have to be honest. We can't lie. Some people believe that we just have to spread love to everybody. इसी तरह से तुम्हारी जिंदगी में यह है कि अगर कोई गलत कर रहा है, किसी के ऊपर they are trying to control somebody, अत्याचार कर रहा है, तो you will stand upright. So ये
Yes.
पहले से है तेरे अंदर, right?
हाँ,
हाँ.
yes, yes.
So
वो
tell us,
सही है।
पहले से ही है. So tell us something about your early years, school, college, and then of course your kind of qualification, which is very interesting. Fire and safety. I've never met a woman who is into fire and safety. जब भी हम फायर इंजन के बारे में सोचते हैं या फायर ब्रिगेड के बारे में सोचते हैं, तुम हमेशा आदमी के बारे में सोचते हैं.
Yeah.
So we really like to know more about how you got attracted to such a profession.
Yes. मैम, बेसिकली माई चाइल्डहुड वाज वेरी वंडरफुल। बहुत ही सेफ सिक्योर एटमॉस्फेयर में मेरा चाइल्डहुड गया है। मेरे पेरेंट्स ने नाइस एजुकेशन वी रिसीव्ड, एंड माय मदर ऑलवेज वांटेड आई शुड गेट हायर एजुकेशन, and I am eldest in the family, and she really struggle hard to give me this kind of education, my parents. And that's how I became engineer. I basically did electronics and telecommunication engineer. एंड आफ्टर डूइंग दिस इंजीनियरिंग, जैसे लाइफ में होता है, शादी हो गई इन अ वेरी मॉडर्न एंड प्रोग्रेसिव फैमिली. दे वर वेरी सपोर्टिव, एंड माय हस्बैंड वाज बेसिकली फायर, ही वाज इनटू फायर फील्ड.
Okay.
And I being electronics engineer and he being mechanical engineer, the combo was actually right. And that's how
Right.
I landed into fire consulting business, that sort of business. And I feel attracted because it concerns with life and safety. And
Okay.
this type of business where you cannot simply compromise on the standard and the quality, because it directly relates to the life of people, what you are protecting, because you are protecting lives. So while doing consultancy, that this is the main thing, and that's what is attracted maybe, because jo bhi hum design karenge, that has to be 100% foolproof, so that the lives will be protected, for which we are doing this business.
Very
And
interesting, Anushka. But then you and your husband started like a business, or like you said, in consultancy शुरू किया आप दोनों
yeah,
साथ में
actually,
मिलके.
initially we were working in this field. Definitely, we got almost 10 years, and my husband had 20 years of experience in this field. And then later on, because you always need an experience, real practical experience to do any sort of consultancy.
Correct.
Otherwise, how you will provide guidance?
Right.
That's how later on, then it's almost 10 to 15 years we have formed this business. And that time, ma'am, fire consultancy is something unheard of. I mean, in India, people are not bothered about their lives. They matlab काफी जगह पे fire system they put just for to get the NOC, and not for the real purpose that it should protect the life. But then at that time, starting this consultancy was really challenging for us. But it was like, nahi, India mein ye hona hi chahiye, because in international market people are really very particular about life safety. But in
Yes.
India, you might, I mean, you are seeing the Kamla Mill incidents and all.
Correct. Yes.
People are very casual about lives. But then through our consultancy, through our vision and the motto which we have, no, whatever the system we are designing, it has to be functional and not for the sake of just, मैंने लगाया है, मुझे अभी NOC दो.
Right.
So
In
that's
fact,
how we are working our,
Anushka, this reminds me that when I was working in TCS, we used to have fire drills and they would do the entire hoax, ma'am. पूरा
Okay.
hoax करते थे.
Okay.
And उस time पे they would actually light up a small smoke kind of thing, and everybody had to run down the stairs, the
Ah,
entire drill would be functional. And what would happen in a case of a fire? In fact, in the TCS campus, they would have a ambulance moving around that time,
ah,
fire brigade moving around, and then
yes.
the entire drill would be over, and we would be asked to go back. So 1 hour they would spend every month on this drill. So I
I
think you
think
from
I, I think schools में भी होता है ना fire drill.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka?
Because now, because of globalization, many global players are there in India market. And
Okay.
as I said, they are very particular about, fire and life safety. Because of that, automatically, वो Indian mentality है ना, वो automatically change हो रही है. And now, yes, it's really looked upon as a very, very, because it's a technical, thorough technical field.
Right.
कहाँ पे कितना क्या करना है जिससे life protect होगा, because you
Yeah.
have different technical rooms, you have spaces where many people will sit in corporate offices and all. तो वहाँ पे अगर आग है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, so life should be saved. The ultimate aim is the life should be saved. So
Wonderful.
for that,
So,
yeah,
so it's so beautiful. You and your husband share a common passion.
yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
does that make your, equation better? Like when a husband and a wife share a common passion or a common goal, is the relationship better? What do you feel?
See, ma'am, although it's the same goal, I mean, protecting life, but his work is totally through business on a different level. My players, I mean, मेरा जो audience है, वो थोड़ा अलग इसका था, the underprivileged.
Okay.
उनको मतलब ये करना था, मतलब because this is all life safety and all, ये कहाँ पे लगता है? Where we are working in big offices, corporates, companies and all. This is one aspect of protecting life. The
Correct.
other aspect is the underprivileged, जिनको इसका कुछ भी
इल्म नहीं है. They have no
Yeah.
idea. हाँ.
हाँ, so मेरा focus इसमें था.
तो
More
कैसे
of
तुम
towards
करती हो? माने you go to slum areas?
No,
Underprivileged मतलब कहाँ पे जाती हो?
I'm connected with tribal people. Thana, there is a Warli tribes are there.
हाँ.
So basically, my work is over there. So there are these different padas are there and school रहते हैं छोटे बच्चों के. But when I first time visited there, because basically I was inclined in this and opportunities was not coming towards me कि भाई काम करो. So I myself went searching for opportunity कि मुझे कुछ करना है तो I should see something.
हाँ.
So that's how I visited the tribal school. And जब मैंने देखा वहाँ पे मैंने टीचर से बात की, जो बच्चे थे छोटे छोटे उनसे बात की. So I realized the kids are so innocent. I mean, such a limited resources are there. फिर भी they're so happy in their life. So I thought कि this is I mean, यहाँ I can help them by providing them proper resources and nurture them, because education is something I was really interested, and that's how then I started working, and then slowly over the years I spread my work का जो दायरा था वो बढ़ा दिया. अलग अलग एरिया में जैसे नासिक है, इगतपुरी है, वाडा है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग मैंने प्रोजेक्ट्स इम्प्लीमेंट किए जिससे कि बच्चों, मेरा पूरा फोकस बच्चों पे था.
Wonderful, Anushka. That's so nice.
Yeah, because I felt they are the future of our country. अगर मैं उनसे ही ये स्टार्ट करूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली उनकी फैमिली हो जाएगी and the generations will improve, उनका लाइफ सेट हो जाएगा. So that's how I work with them since pre-primary till the time they get settled. I mean, कुछ तो livelihood they are earning. So ऐसा वो span है. So अलग अलग level के children are with us.
So interesting, Anushka. You studied something, got married, and then you moved into a field which is so different. And so, I mean, it's so beautiful the way you are explaining about the children, and you started to teach them about fire safety. And it's so nice through the children, उनके जो माँ बाप है, उनको भी तो काफी कुछ पता चलता है कि कैसे भाई protect करना. Wonderful. Very
Parents,
nice.
yeah, in this tribal area, ma'am, parents were not interested much in academics, because for them earning day-to-day food is more important
Yeah.
than giving education to kids, no? Because
Right.
आज का मुझे पता है 10 साल के बाद मेरा बच्चा बड़ा होके वो जब अर्न करेगा उसको तो टाइम है ना. So
Correct.
lot of things try to influence them by offering certain things, and mentoring. Basically, it is complete mentoring.
Yes.
And changing your mind.
Anushka,
Yeah.
tell me something. I mean, I'm sure, you know, as a childhood, you must have had a childhood hero. Who has been your childhood hero?
Hero, Swami Vivekanand is really, I got inspiration from him. I don't know how, but since childhood, I used to like him because अपने स्कूल में देखो हमेशा फोटोज रहते हैं
Yes, yes,
स्कूल
yes.
प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस में या
Right.
स्कूल्स में, तो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का फोटो मुझे हमेशा अट्रैक्ट करता था. So,
Wow.
and of course, being a Maharashtrian, I have this inclination towards the sense of, whether it is Saint Gyaneshwar, Sant Tukaram, the sense of Maharashtra. तो मुझ
Yeah.
में वो उनके जो अभंग रहते थे, कीर्तन रहते थे, मुझे बहुत फैसिनेट करते थे. एंड उसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल मेरे मदर का है, बिकॉज एवरी मॉर्निंग एट 6 o'clock शी यूज टू प्ले दैट, रेडियो पे भजन आते थे मराठी में. वो मेरा आदत था, तो शायद मे बी अननोइंगली वो पड़ता था मेरे कानों पे ऑल दोस्तों, so मुझे वो
Yeah.
लाइक शायद वहीं से आई थी.
Lovely, very nice. So you were a spirit. I mean, we are all spiritual beings, obviously having a physical experience. So तेरे बचपन से ही, these beautiful songs, bhajans, kirtans तूने सुनने का शुरू किया. So when did you realize that fire safety और ये जो profession है, इसके अलावा भी तुम्हें आगे बढ़ना है या कुछ spiritually सीख करना है? When did you get that feeling?
Yeah, ma'am. Basically, as I told yesterday also, कि सब अच्छे से जा रहा था. For a lady, you have financial security, social status,
Yeah.
nice family, good relationship with everybody. सब है, so सब अच्छा जा रहा था. And I was working also, but being an engineer, मुझे कभी भी career, as a career जो बोलते हैं ना कि engineer, वो मुझे ना कभी लगा ही नहीं था. So I never, वो 9 to 5 जॉब या करियर करके पैसा, वो मेरे दिमाग में कभी पता नहीं somehow, लेकिन आ ही नहीं रहा था. So because
Okay.
of that, although I was involved in the business with my husband, मेरा रोल मैंने लिमिट करके रखा था.
Okay.
एंड इंक्लिनेशन तो टुवर्ड्स ये चीजों की तरफ ही था, लेकिन वो
हाँ.
इनर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्ट हो गया कि मैं करूँ क्या. अगर मैं
हाँ.
इंजीनियर बनी हूँ, अगर मुझे इंजीनियरिंग मतलब उसमें करियर नहीं करना है, देन फिर मैं हाउसवाइफ बन के रहूं.
हाँ.
हाउसवाइफ बनने में भी मतलब वो तो रोल हम करते ही है. आई मीन बीइंग अ
Correct.
मदर, बीइंग अ वाइफ, हम करते ही है. दैट्स अ पार्ट
हाँ.
ऑफ योर लाइफ. तो
हाँ.
ना करके भी मैं मतलब स्टेबल नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे लग रहा था नहीं ये नहीं है, कुछ तो है, कुछ तो है.
कुछ
सो
तो है.
देन आई थॉट कि मे बी मेरी लाइकिंग्स जो है, मुझे सिंगिंग करना पसंद था, डांस करना पसंद था. सो आई थॉट चलो शायद मेरी लाइकिंग में मुझे मेरी आइडेंटिटी मिल जाएगी. So I basically in school time I used to I learned singing, basically classical singing, but वो in between छूट गया था मेरा. Again I started doing that. I learned classical music, then कथक join किया. Just to, these are ये सारी चीजें इसके लिए थी कि मैं खुद को आइडेंटिफाई करूँ किसके साथ, जिससे मुझे इनर पीस मिले कि हाँ ये मैं हूँ. बट मैम आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ्स मेरा उसमें से इंटरेस्ट जा रहा था, एंड वो मैं हाफ में छोड़ रही थी. अभी इसका असर ये हो गया कि मेरा इंप्रेशन ऐसा क्रिएट हो गया कि ये तो चीज स्टार्ट करती है, मतलब ये सीखना, ये सीखना स्टार्ट कर दिया, छोड़ दिया. इंजीनियर है फिर भी करियर नहीं कर रही है. सो दैट क्रिएटेड अ वेरी नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट वाज इन लोगों के मन में था या ये मुझे खुद को ही लग रहा था, बट मुझे इसलिए मेरा इनर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बहुत बढ़ रहा था उस टाइम पे. मैं खुद को मतलब ढूंढ नहीं पा रही थी. And after that, slowly it so happened ki, because when you are not happy with your own self, you don't find things which are around you also comfortable. और फिर वो थोड़ा फ्रिक्शन, थोड़ा नैगिंग ऐसा है, which is मतलब उसका रूट एक्चुअली आपके अंदर है, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट फाइंडिंग योर ओन सेल्फ, बट यू आर रिफ्लेक्टिंग ऑन टू अदर्स. सो ये चीज इतने बढ़ते गए कि मुझे हार्ट पेन स्टार्ट हो गया. There was a deep heart pain and it was like a जैसे हमको कोई किसी ने इमोशनली हर्ट किया वैसे पेन होता है, वो वाला पेन नहीं था ये. अगर मुझे कुछ फिजिकल हर्ट होता है, फिजिकल मेरी स्किन को होता है, तो वो कैसे वो थ्रॉबिंग वाला पेन होता है. द पेन वाज लाइक दैट एंड इट वाज कंसिस्टेंट 24/7. I was having that heart pain.
Hmm.
So obviously the first thing which I did, that वो medical, doctors के पास जाके all checkups and all I did. Nothing was there. Physically I was absolutely fine. Then I thought, my husband said कि यही तेरा पूरा friction हो रहा है and all है, so better you check psychologist. I mean consult a counselor and all. So
Correct.
मैं उसके पास भी गई. But they
अच्छा.
always have that मैंने ये तुझे पता है what you are saying, all that. But ये नहीं है, ये इस type का नहीं है. So I did all the things which is available to me कि ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए. फिर भी that pain was not going. बहुत ज़्यादा ही वो हो रहा था नहीं. That has occupied my entire life and my of course immediate relationship, because वो उनके ऊपर ही reflect हो रहा था ना.
Right.
मैं चिड़चिड़ होने लगी कि नहीं हो रहा है, getting angry, short temper हो रहा था, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूँ. Then that time one of my friend who happened to be your she has taken session from you past life session. So she told me, Sangeeta, I mean my maiden name, why don't you speak with Dr. Trupti, because तूने सब करके whatever is in normal way of taking medicine आपने किया है, so just check with her. And so, luckily उसी time पे आपका workshop announce हुआ था मुंबई में. So I immediately enrolled for that workshop. And as it is, as I said, मेरा थोड़ा inclination तो था ही spiritual की तरफ, मैं थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ती थी, but not much. I mean ये, but because I wanted to relief from my heart pain, वो things बहुत ज़्यादा speed up हो रही थी. मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये pain. So then that's how I attended your workshop.
Okay.
And the first day itself, जब आप ले रहे थे, I mean that under that trance, the first thing which I got was a figure of Lord Buddha having a lotus in his hand, and he gave that lotus to me.
Okay.
No words, nothing. It was just a vision, and that vision इतना मेरे माइंड में वो डीप इम्प्रिंट हो गया कि थिंग्स स्टार्टेड मूविंग वेरी फास्ट. ऑफ कोर्स उससे ये नहीं हुआ, बट यस समथिंग इन मी हैज गॉट ओपन. And then in the second session which you only took, you want to ask something?
No, I want to say, Anushka, कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपने कभी लॉर्ड बुद्धा का फोटो नहीं देखा, या ऑन द कंप्यूटर आपने लॉर्ड बुद्धा का इमेज नहीं देखा. आपने देखा है, बट I want to let people know that when you get into a trance state and you enter your subconscious mind, the subconscious mind जब वो image throw करता है आपकी तरफ, so there is some transformation that happens from within. Some meaning comes to you from that deep mind. It's not that Anushka ने कभी लॉर्ड बुद्धा का फोटो नहीं देखा, या on the TV or whatever. We have seen photographs, posters, everything, but the impact is not that. But in that state, when that image came, it came from some space inside her mind. Right, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
So
yes,
that
ma'am.
created some shift in you.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely, absolutely. And then from उसी से फिर एक डायमेंशंस ओपन होते गए. इट्स लाइक ओनियन के हम लोग एक पील्स कैसे ओपन करते हैं. सो वो फिल अप होके मेरा रियल जो सेल्फ है कि क्या मैं हूँ, जिसको मैं ढूंढ रही थी, वो मुझे दिखना स्टार्ट हो गया. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मैंने काफी सारे, आई मीन देयर आर ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 लाइफ टाइम्स, माई लाइफ टाइम्स, डिफरेंट इसमें से मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं इन द स्पैन of course 2-3 years. I worked on myself because मुझे मैं एक अगर लाइफ टाइम देखती थी, I used to introspect inside उसमें से क्या मिल रही है, वो लेके when I'm leading नहीं और भी कुछ है, और भी कुछ है, ऐसे करते करते I started feeling one by one मेरे लाइफ टाइम्स के ये. The first lifetime जो आपके सेशन में, it was a group session, ma'am, which you took it on a fear.
Yeah, fear.
And that time you said कि आपके अंदर जो भी fear है, please आप I mean you have to think about it, let it come to the front. And I was sitting blankly. I told you, ma'am, कुछ भी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं किस बारे में fearful हूँ. I was not knowing कि क्या है. but you ask me कि Anushka, just go with the flow, वो automatically आ जाएगा. I said fine. And literally when the session started, I was blank. मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मुझे क्या fear है. But as the session progressed, slowly, because मेरा subconscious ऊपर जैसे ही आ गया, तो वो मेरे fear आ गए. And even later on when I inspired कि ये fear मुझ में है, मुझे पता ही नहीं था.
कौन
And
सा
that
fear था?
fear was,
हाँ.
yes, that fear was living alone.
Yeah.
Living alone.
अकेले रहना.
I was अकेले रहना. I thought अकेले रहने का feeling मतलब मेरे दिमाग में था ही नहीं. In that, because it was a group session, उसमें मुझे सिर्फ थोड़े थोड़े glimpses दिखे, not the complete. लेकिन उसका आंसर मुझे सिर्फ ये मिला कि I have seen a lifetime जिसमें I am roaming in Himalayas as a monk. I was a monk and I'm all alone, and the glow of the face of that monk, and I was absolutely happy. And the message come to me: you have already lived a life. I mean, alone you have lived, and you see how comfortable and in bliss you were. Why are you fearing? That was the message for that particular lifetime. But then
Beautiful.
later on, I thought, ki, okay, I got the answer ki I have already lived alone and I should not fear. But why? Very in first thing, ये fear आया ही क्यों मुझ में?
Correct.
कहाँ से आया कि क्या ऐसे कुछ? Then when I came to your Rishikesh training, because after this workshop, in the same year, I came to Rishikesh for your 8 days training. And in
December,
this,
I guess, na,
I
Anushka?
did it May and then December. In these 4-5 months, I studied a lot. I researched a lot. I read many books on past life therapy and on spiritual life itself, because my that the different dimension has opened. You know,
Yes.
कुछ अलग से था. So I was studying a lot. And in Rishikesh training, you only took one session, ma'am. In that session, I come to know from where I'm carrying this fear,
Fear.
living alone. So in that particular lifetime, my name was Alan, a Christian boy who wanted to marry a Hindu girl,
Okay.
and that was a British era. And at that time, obviously the societal norms and the our belief system and all, my parents were dead against for this alliance, and I couldn't go against the wish of my parents. And I mean that I said that girl, no, this can't happen. She being a Hindu girl. But after this decision, the choice which I had taken, I never got married in that lifetime. I
Okay.
left my parents' house and I lived entirely, I lived alone in aloneness that particular lifetime. And I
Yeah.
devoted my entire life as a pilot. In that particular lifetime, I was a pilot in, I think, British army or something, I don't know. But उनके इसमें थे जिसमें मैं fighter plane उड़ाती थी. And
Okay.
ma'am, you won't believe, in this particular lifetime, when I was studying, I was in 12th standard. And 12th standard में all of a sudden मेरे दिमाग में पता नहीं कहाँ से आया था कि मैं पायलट बनूंगी. And I used to tell all my friends कि मुझे तो पायलट बनना है, मुझे तो पायलट बनना है. And मेरे कॉलेज के बाजू में मिर्ची भाई विले पार्ले में, उसके बाजू में एक जुहू फ्लाइंग क्लब था.
Correct.
So I was like, नहीं मुझे तो पायलट ही बनना है. But my destiny was something different. So after 12th, I got admission in engineering.
Electronics.
So Anushka, I have a question here for you.
Yes.
Since आपने mention किया कि आपने you had gone through a lot of courses that you were doing, vocational courses to find the inner peace, right? So when you
Yes.
went to ma'am's first workshop in Bombay, and when you saw the Buddha image coming into you, and then did you find a bit of peace settling in, and you thought कि no, this is the right path that that is going to guide me? ऐसा हुआ?
Yes, Abhilasha, absolutely. Because जैसे हमको अगर घर मिल जाता है खुद का, तो वो जो सुकून मिलता है कि हाँ ये मेरा घर है, you can, so that peace, that bliss which you get being home, वो मुझे feel हुआ था when I saw Buddha first time. And that is, I mean, वो जो lotus है मेरे droplets का जो cover आप देखोगे, it's a lotus only, the cover
Wow.
page.
Of your book.
The impact is that much, a lot impact, because whenever then later on I used to read किसी के और के एक्सपीरियंस भी अगर मैं पढ़ती थी बुद्धा के बारे में, आई ऑलवेज यूज टू क्राई. इतना मेरा वो कनेक्शन हुआ था उस
So
पर्टिकुलर.
beautiful, Anushka. That's so nice. So
या
multiple lifetimes you have seen, and I think slowly you started to discover who you are
यस
and why
मैम.
you are here in this
यस
life. You know, identity is such an important facet of one's life. You know, and I always say that identity, you know, it can't be found, it can't be fabricated, but it emerges from within, and it emerges when you have the courage to let go. You know कि comfort है, let go of comfort. घर है, ये है, let go of that, because वो तो है तेरे पास, but that is actually holding you back. तूने कैसे कहा है ना, सब कुछ था, वंडरफुल हस्बैंड, सपोर्टिव, बच्चा भी है, पेरेंट्स भी है, काम भी है, पैसा भी है, घर भी है, सब कुछ है, but that is holding you back. Moment you let go of that, then your identity can be created.
Ma'am, in
You
fact,
have done.
ma'am, in fact, now I can now relate to why Anushka saw Buddha. If you see
Acha.
Buddha's lifetime,
Yes.
Buddha also had a complete family, child,
Right.
wife,
Right.
and
Right.
you know, still he was not happy there. He felt discomforted. He wanted that there is something more beyond it,
Yes.
and he left everything overnight, and he went in search of his true self
Absolutely. And it fits Anushka's search so
journey.
beautifully. And that is why that connection with Lord Buddha. So nice.
Yes,
Lovely.
and yeah, later on also, I mean, in this fear का जो था, the second fear, of course, ये सब होने के बाद मेरा healing slowly healing होता गया, because later on जितने मैंने पहला सेशन किए उसमें से ये relationships के या जो karmic जो healing के pending थे मेरे, वो issues resolve हो गए, and that heart pain has definitely gone. I was
Wow.
थोड़ा, and then I started practicing as a पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन थेरेपीज, सब हो रहा था, लेकिन फिर भी वो बोलते हैं ना कीड़ा था कि नहीं
कुछ
है,
और
कुछ
है.
और, कुछ है और. Because what was happening, I was not coming openly in the world. I mean, जैसे अभी मैंने ये सारे modalities सीखी है and all, and I wanted to tell it to reach to people, but something was holding back to me. डरती थी. There was lot of self doubt. बहुत सारा self doubt था. I don't know why, because मैं बचपन से ऐसे नहीं थी. I was very self confident girl बचपन से ही. But in this particular matter मुझे बहुत self doubt था. तो इसलिए मैंने openly, मतलब आगे आके बोलते हैं ना, aggressively doing things and promoting things मैं कभी नहीं करती थी. But then ये जो कीड़ा था वो और भी ज्यादा बढ़ता गया कि नहीं, बहुत और कुछ है, और कुछ है, और कुछ है. Then again I underwent PLR therapy. In that past life, ma'am, there was no past. I didn't directly experience past life and then enter into LBL state. But first, I visited. My therapist took me to the Akashic records. I went into Akashic records, and there was a book of my this thing. When I took that book, my therapist guided me to look into it and whatever is coming. When I turned that page, the first page was burning. When I see, so I told the page is burning. She asked me, see what is it, what is coming out, why that page is still burning. And then that's how she asked, I entered into my past life. But the message is, before entering into the past life, there was a message: fear of accepting wisdom.
Okay.
Wow.
Interesting.
That, and I was absolutely not knowing that I'm having this fear. Maybe that my action was such that when I said that I'm having self-doubt, so my action was such that, but this was the fear, that a fear of accepting wisdom. People don't value wisdom, or guard yourself. This was the message which was coming onto that book. Then as I landed in that lifetime,
Yeah.
I saw myself as a lady. It was a lifetime in Denmark,
Okay.
and I was living. It was a small village. I was born in a very respectable family, and in that lifetime, my role was to help people, to guide people. That was my role. But when conflict happened between me and the church authorities,
Okay.
Because church authorities was more of a religious myth preaching in a way that they will control people. And
Okay.
my teaching was, I used to tell people, you should not fear to anybody and find your own self.
Mhm.
Religious myths are different than what you are as a spiritual being, because of which there was a conflict that was happening between me and the church authorities. As the session progressed, I saw myself sitting in my house, and the soldiers basically they dragged me. When one day when I was walking on the road, they caught me and they dragged me. They put me in my house and they set that house on fire. The
Okay.
the people used to know me because it was a small village.
Yeah.
Everybody knows each other. People were respecting me and they were obviously valuing me. But the authorities was such that they were having weapons, so people can't do anything to protect me. You know, and in that house, they burned me alive. I died. Because I tried to, tell people what how should be the life, how you
Change.
find yourself, and that went against me. Then immediately after this, my next page come up, wherein I was a Maharashtrian Brahmin male,
Yes.
Maharashtrian Brahmin male, and it was a small setting. It was a British era.
Hmm.
That time also, through bhajan and kirtan, I was लोगों को मैं ब्रिटिशर्स के खिलाफ, आई मीन वो जो मूवमेंट रहती है ना कि वो रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं, मतलब उनसे डरो नहीं, वो टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स मैं थ्रू भजन एंड कीर्तन आई यूज्ड टू टेल देम. सो ऑब्वियसली अगेन मैं ब्रिटिशर्स के खिलाफ थी, तो उन्होंने इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लाइट टाइम आल्सो आई डाइड, आई मीन दे किल्ड मी बिकॉज आई एम
Okay.
समाज प्रबोधन जो बोलते हैं ना, उस
Yes.
टाइम का मैं करती थी यूजिंग दिस. सो समवेयर इन माय माइंड वो डर बैठा था कि अगर मैं ये सब करे तो आई मीन अथॉरिटीज विल ग्रैब मी एंड आई विल
Correct.
डाई, क्योंकि मेरी डेथ वैसे ही हुई थी इन दैट बोथ द लाइफ
Correct.
टाइम.
Yes.
Sorry, maybe because of that in present lifetime I was close to myself regarding wisdom.
Yes.
That
Yes.
fear was very deep rooted in me. So although I used to feel nahi mujhe pata hai, when I used to read the things, books and all, I know this, but लेकिन मैं कभी openly आती नहीं थी मैम.
Yes.
So because Anushka, I feel ki in all the last 2-3 lifetimes that you shared, see your death happened because you were you were talking about wisdom to people. So somewhere the soul was scared कि अगर इस lifetime में भी if I am talking about the same wisdom, it can have effects and maths on me. Those aftermaths will come on me. Those aftermaths will come on me. So इसीलिए you were afraid to spread your wisdom, or you were afraid to accept the wisdom that was coming to you. So
Yeah,
that's why.
and most important in this lifetime, the job that she did, related to fire safety. She
Yeah.
died in fire. The
And
soul,
Helping
the
people.
soul decided that now I need to help people and kind of protect them and teach them about safety with fire. So how beautifully everything came together. And then I think
Very
things
true.
must
yes
have
ma'am,
transformed radically after this whole
yes,
fear
yes,
went away.
after, yes, because when I understood why these things are happening, the fear got dissolved. Because whenever session जब भी होते हैं PLR sessions, obviously healing happens on a very deeper level. Because the canvas of your life जो हम लोग physical eyes से देखते हैं वो इतना broad हो जाता है कि आपकी inner eyes जो होती है वो awaken हो जाती है, और आपको काफी सारी चीजें on a much deeper level जब हम देखते हैं, तो that transformation is बहुत ही अलग level पे हो जाता है.
True, true, Anushka.
Because of that I accepted myself कि नहीं, मुझे नहीं डरना है. Second thing, the lifetime which the present era is of not जो उस टाइम पे जो डिक्टेटरशिप थी या था, अभी ऐसा नहीं है. Social environment is different. We are free enough to express ourselves. So slowly that's how I later on I started, I created my website and all these things I started later on.
You started
Otherwise
reaching
I
out.
was,
You
yes,
started
I
reaching
started
out.
reaching,
Yes.
yes, And the
Ma'am,
ultimate,
in fact, Anushka, now I can also relate why you idolized Vivekanand as a Swamiji as your hero. Because if you see, ma'am, Swamiji had dedicated his entire life in spreading about, talking about, he founded Ramakrishna Math and, he founded, he was speaking about the Britishers only,
Yes.
trying to raise awareness against the Britishers, जिन्होंने इनके death लिए 2-3 lifetime में.
Yes. Yes.
So I think,
Absolutely.
your soul had that connect with him, ki this is, I have this connection with this man, what he talks about, because somewhere he was against those Britishers who stopped you, who
Correct.
who
Yeah.
put you to death.
Absolutely. There's so much of an identification. She was
Yes, ma'am.
searching for an identity, and Lord Buddha, Swamiji, they kind of led her towards the identity that she needed in this lifetime to pursue her. So I think after all this, kind of the NGO came into being, Anushka?
yes, ma'am, because I become very confident that I am not wrong. Whatever is my thought process, the direction which I feel is right. I mean, वो है, it's right. I'm right. Whatever maybe resistance है, नहीं है, I should not care about it, and I simply walk, on that path.
Yeah.
Then I started NGO का तो काम चल ही रहा था. मैं meditation में बहुत ज़्यादा deeper जाने लगी. And in that meditation, obviously, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, Lord Buddha, Sant Gnaneshwar, and Swami Vivekanand. These 4 personalities, people, I used to get them. मतलब उनके visions तो मुझे आते ही आते थे. मतलब the moment I used to sit, ये 4 आते थे. I used to take blessings, and then मुझे काफी सारे experience, ma'am, meditations में आ गई in terms of this, because of which जो कॉस्मोस या यूनिवर्स की तरफ देखने का जो ये था वो बहुत चेंज हो गया, बिकॉज दीज आर द एनर्जीज which are very powerful. And when I used to take station in PLR station, in fact twice it has happened that my 2 clients told me that Anushka, I'm seeing you at that place.
Yes.
One of my client, when I asked her ki call your spiritual guru, that healing space mein hum log jab bulate hain.
Yes.
So she said, I'm seeing you. And that
Yes.
was the blow kind of a thinking, क्या है, मतलब मैं कैसे वहां पे हो सकती. And the description which she gave me was mind blowing, man. Because I said कि मैं दिख रही हूँ, मतलब क्या दिख रही हूँ तुझे? What is it? Please describe. So she described me fully, man. That was an awesome experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like Abhilasha is saying, Anushka, that these, like you also said just now, Swamiji, Lord Buddha, all these are actually kind of energetic beings, right? So in some lifetime, or in many lifetimes, you may have shared the same space as them. So that is why you are actually embodying their energy. So that is why when they see you as the spiritual guide, it's not you, this person, okay? It's the kind of energy that you radiate. That is what they feel is guiding them. So that is how we have to understand when somebody sees us as a spiritual guide. It's not that you are the spiritual guide to the person. It is the kind of energy that you are carrying through lifetimes. And like you saw Swamiji, you saw Lord Buddha. So we have lived thousands of lives. So we all may have been disciples of Lord Buddha. Or
Yes,
come in, when he was walking through the forest, maybe gave him some water to drink or some food to eat. So we could have had just a contact with him. We may not have, we may have not even been Lord Buddha's disciples. But that energy stayed with us.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
how we have these
Ma'am,
energetic.
maybe as I say that,
when I was-
Anushka, maybe, when in the British eras that you lived in India, those British eras that you saw, maybe that time also when Vivekanand ji was quite working in India that time.
Yes.
Maybe you were influenced by his learnings which got stayed in your soul. And,
Correct.
your soul got so attached to them that it started following it into this lifetime. You could identify him the
Absolutely.
moment you saw his picture.
Correct. Absolutely, Abhilash.
Because in one of past life, although it was a glimpses, but I have seen it with Lord Buddha. and that particular thing, it was just uh, hardly for vision came for few minutes, where he fed me. And when
Oh,
my therapist, I mean, when this was happening, I was literally crying, because she
wow.
was asking me, why are you crying? I said, he fed me, he gave me that morsel, you know.
Yeah.
And in that particular time, I saw ma'am, Trupti ma'am, and Ritali
Yeah,
from
Yes,
Pritali.
from
Delhi.
Delhi. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you both part of Buddha Sangha. In that particular lifetime, I saw this.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
So that's what. No? We have all see this beautiful
Yes.
series that we are doing, Anushka, and so many amazing people came into our lives, even at Rishikesh, Missouri, wherever we've done workshops, right? So we are a huge tribe, and all of us at some time or the other would have met each other
Each other,
in
yeah.
some lifetimes, right?
Crossed
In
paths
one
paths.
lifetime, maybe I met Abhilasha, in one lifetime, you met Abhilasha, right? So all of us are now connected as this beautiful soul tribe.
In
And
fact,
so many
ma'am,
others whom we don't know personally, but I'm sure they all form this
Yes.
amazing soul group.
in fact, ma'am, I would like to add here, Anushka, I don't know because the first time when we started the therapist training, ma'am does a group meditation. She does a group regression to see how the whole soul group is connected, because we always feel that the entire soul group has come to Rishikesh and these people knew each other in some lifetime. And you will be surprised, and this is for all the viewers also, when we did the regression, in fact, everyone landed up into one same lifetime. And then
Wow.
ma'am asked them, what are you all wearing? And everyone was wearing white. And then ma'am was asking them, where are you all? So they all said, Ki, this is a huge dome, a monastery, and we are all standing inside the monastery, and there's a master in between. He's standing, there's a light on the master, he's standing there. और वो हम लोगों को कुछ दीक्षा दे रहे हैं, you know, we all are sitting there, we all saw it together. I was also a part of this regression. And then when this regression happened, so we all were very interested कि ये कौन सा monastery था, and that monastery we all found out was in Tibet. And
Okay.
the best thing was, Anushka, as a monk, when we all were seeing ourselves as monk, एक monk का तो हमेशा dress code red होता है ना. But the fascinating part was when monks receive their this diksha thing happens to them, they all are supposed to wear white, and that is why everybody was in white. So the soul group that we are meeting this in lifetime, they all have come together in somewhere. कोई lifetime हम एक साथ थे, तभी हम इस lifetime में मिले हैं.
Yeah.
And Anushka, so this brings me to my next question. I mean, I'm very curious to understand, since you went through this journey, when you found your inner calling through spirituality, through past life, through healing, how was your reaction to your family? Your reaction must have changed towards your family. Your love, your relations should have improved. And
Yes.
how was their acceptance to it? Did they accept it wholeheartedly? Was there rift? How was it?
Yeah. Definitely, the relationship equation definitely improved a lot, because now I was understanding why somebody is behaving the way he's behaving. So you can understand that way. Obviously, initially, past life therapy or something like that is not that openly accepted. They hai, acha hai, this is, of course they listen, but that I won't say it is wholehearted acceptance. But yes, eventually in the course of 3-4 years, when they saw me doing the different things, my reading has improved. I was doing many things which I was not doing earlier.
Cool. Yeah.
Because of that, now my husband itself is so much he's so much supporting. He will
Yeah.
only tell his friends and all. Yeah, now he has reached to that level of acceptance. But earlier, yes, lot of resistance was there. But now he understood, because I keep on talking whether they are interested it or not. I used to talk. I used to tell
Very
them,
good,
अरे ऐसा है,
Anushka.
अरे वैसा.
Very
अनुष्का,
good.
एक saying है, what resist persists. जो
Yeah.
रेजिस्टेंस है उसको रहना भी है, so don't worry at all, even if
नहीं,
you
मुझे
face
लगता है कि
resistance.
सबसे सुंदर बात जो अनुष्का ने कही, that she started doing things. आपको अच्छा लगे नहीं अच्छा लगे मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है, मैं करती जाऊंगी. So she kept doing, kept doing, kept doing. She didn't say you better change, but by doing, people change. So
Yeah,
the
because
change lies in us.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
That's
I
it.
knew this is good. I mean, I knew one day वो बोलते हैं ना पानी का ड्रॉप डालते डालते डालते
हाँ.
एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि वो बराबर से अंदर जाएगा. It will sip in.
Correct.
So I just
Anushka, with this, I would like to now ask you, since your book has just released,
Yeah.
and the name of your book is Droplets.
Yes.
So, can you talk about your book and
Yes,
tell us more?
absolutely.
Yes. Basically, the name of book is droplets. Why droplets? Because they are very tiny, tiny, tiny. तो जब droplets ऐसे स्काई से जब droplets स्टार्ट होते हैं पड़ना तो हम इमिडिएटली समझ जाते हैं कि अभी बारिश होने वाली है. एंड वो सोच से ही हमारे अंदर एक होप एक कुछ तो ऐसा फ्रेशनेस आ जाता है कि तो इट इज जस्ट दैट वन ड्रॉपलेट विच इज नीडेड फॉर यू टू इंस्पायर और टू गेट मोटिवेटेड और टू होप. So I thought in this particular book there are 18 small chapters जिसमें मैंने कोशिश की है कि जो भी हमारे आजू बाजू के जो थिंग्स है स्मॉल थिंग उसमें से विजडम बिकॉज नेचर इज द बेस्ट टीचर उसमें से मैंने जो भी विजडम मैंने आई कुड सी एंड वो मैंने रीडर्स को पहुंचाने की कोशिश की है because I wanted to convey them those things ki it's not that spirituality is something different than your life which you are the worldly life. It's a very much part of it, like a lotus. Lotus will bloom when sunlight will fall on it. For the blooming of it sunlight is needed, lekin it has to be grounded to in that mud जहां से वो ऊपर आ रहा है. सो अगर हम लोग वर्ल्डली मर्ड अगर देख रहे हैं कि ये वर्ल्ड जो माया जो जिसको हमको बोलते हैं ना अटैचमेंट इल्यूजन्स एंड ऑल दैट बट दैट इज हेल्पिंग अस टू ब्लूम माय इनर लोटस दैट इज नीडेड. एंड अगर मैं चैलेंजेस या जो भी मेरे हमारे इन लाइफ व्हाटएवर चैलेंजेस वी फेस इफ वी आर रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम इट your lotus will never bloom because these challenges are given so that you will twist and turn yourself and you will try to find out the solutions. And when your search for this will start, then only your inner knowing or inner true self hai, that will start coming out. So definitely you have to accept the challenges और फिर उसमें से आप you find your own truth because everybody truth is different although it is pointing to the same source but the ways are different. So in this 18 droplets मैंने अलग अलग इसमें से किसी ना किसी को कुछ ना कुछ तो I mean there is something for everybody.
Beautiful.
And yeah.
So you have the cover of your book. I mean, you have the book. You said it's on Kindle.
Because this book is released as an ebook in India and as paperback and ebook in US market. But in India, this is my book for the audience.
Beautiful.
This is called Droplets, and you can see the cover. It's a lotus.
Yes.
The droplets are falling
Lovely.
on that.
Lovely, Anushka.
Yeah. Because my message is that the seed is in everyone. The source from सबके अंदर वो सीड है लेकिन ओनली हैंडफुल ऑफ इट वो सीड को फुल्ली ब्लूम करके जिनको हम एनलाइटन बीइंग कहते हैं. अगर हम लोग मिलियंस लोगों में देयर विल बी हार्डली हैंडफुल ऑफ पीपल हु आर कॉल्ड एनलाइटन बीइंग although the same seed is there in every one of us. The difference lies that some people they go out of their comfort zone and go take efforts to find the truth.
Absolutely.
And we others we be in our comfort zone living and enjoying worldly life. We can definitely enjoy that but with the awareness that the ultimate truth is that this life is given. I'm with the awareness if I'm living this life then you can enjoy everything. There is
Very
nothing
nice.
जाना है हिमालय में and मुझे सब छोड़ छाड़ के renunciate करना है. It's not needed.
So
you can enjoy this
Anushka,
life.
you have to share with the listeners and the viewers that English is not your main language.
Oh, yes.
You have to
Yeah.
share that because that is an inspiration.
Yes. See, writing a book, I mean, it is something मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था because my education is in Marathi medium. I'm a vernacular medium girl. And writing a book on a spiritual wisdom in English is something, I mean, really for me, it's an achievement. But when I gone through all this, this is the transformation that
Yes.
I got this courage that yes, I had to release now. जो भी है मैंने बहुत किया, I reached to that point. So there is nothing impossible. I mean, for my viewers, I will tell this. I would like to tell कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But yes, you have to go out of your comfort zone. अगर मैं
Yes.
comfort zone में रह के कर रही हूँ तो नहीं मिलेगा. You have to really allow life to twist and turn yourself. It's like a Rubik cube. मैंने वो मेरे book में लिखा है. जो
Yes.
Rubik cube करना है, जब तक आप उसको twist और turn नहीं करेंगे, वो fully form होगा ही नहीं. In its perfect shape. और अगर
Lovely.
आप तो वो वैसे अनसॉल्व ही रह जाएगा. सो योर लाइफ इज लाइक दैट. अगर आप नहीं अलाउड कर रहे हो ट्विस्टिंग एंड टर्निंग, तो योर लाइफ यू विल ऑलवेज रिमेन इनकम्प्लीट. तो अगर वो कंप्लीट करना है, सो प्लीज अलाउ दिस ट्विस्टिंग एंड टर्निंग और जो भी चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, प्लीज अलाउ इट टू हैपन टू यू. बेसिकली इट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. अगर
Yes.
चैलेंज आ रहा है ना, तो मुझे इवॉल्व होने की अपॉर्चुनिटी है एंड यू मस्ट ग्रैब इट.
Grab it. Lovely, Anushka. So I want to tell everybody, allow the fires of transformation to burn away all that doesn't serve you. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं हमारे आसपास, but it doesn't serve us. So let it go. उसे जाने दो. Then only the fires of transformation will take place. And Anushka is a wonderful subject. Our guest today, really, I'm so impressed and inspired by her.
Thank
Okay, from a girl who studied in a Marathi medium to come forth, to move out of her comfort zone, to work with the children, okay, with the Adivasis, and create a huge transformation in the child's life. And then, of course, write a book in English and express herself so beautifully. Anushka, you are an inspiration. And I'm
Thank you.
sure everybody who's watching this episode is going to be inspired in some way or the other by your wonderful words. Abhilasha, any
Yes.
last thoughts
Yes,
from your
ma'am.
side?
So, ma'am, I mean, I'm too surprised because we have known Anushka as a friend. We have always known her, but to understand the thought that went behind her, the entire life journeys that got weaved together
Yes.
today. तो मैम इससे मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूंगी कि अनुष्का वेरी वेल सेड दैट देयर इज अ सीड इनसाइड एवरीवन. I think people are like Anushka was also waiting for her seed to germinate, and she found the right platform. She allowed it to germinate. मेन है कि एक राइट प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाना और दूसरा है उसको अलाउंस देना to allow it to bloom. So Anushka very well said that there is a seed inside everyone. And the second thought that I would like to summarize today for this show was that there is mud around us. Accept that mud and grow in that. That is the real growth. I'm not saying कि spirituality means कि सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के आप monk बन जाओ या पहाड़ों पे जाके रहो. That is not spirituality. Spirituality means accepting things around you. जैसा है उसको accept करो, live with that and grow in that, and that is what is called being spiritual. And I would really say that कि आज के शो से हमारे गेस्ट जितने हैं, हमारे गेस्ट के थॉट एंड मैम के थॉट को मिला के लोगों ने जरूर it has must have caused a shift somewhere in them also. Somewhere we never know what causes the source of inspiration. So to all our viewers, thank you so much for watching Purnamada. And yes, like with Anushka, tomorrow we'll come up with another episode where yes, I will be put under the scanner and I will be sharing my life story with you, my change and transformation for what happened. So stay glued and stay hooked to Purnamada for tomorrow. Thank you so
Yes.
much,
Thank
everyone.
you. Thank you, Anushka, and thank you,
Thanks,
Abhilasha.
Anushka.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye
Thank
bye.
you.